everyone! Today we're going to learn direct and indirect objects. First, we're going to start with direct object, which is pretty easy, okay? So first, what is it? A direct object is a noun, a person, or a group of words that tells you who or what receives the action of the verb. In order to find it in a very easy way, we would ask questions starting with what or with whom, okay? Through some examples, I'm going to explain you how we're going to do it. So here are my examples. The first sentence is, Julie bought a sandwich. In this sentence, Julie would be the subject because it is the person performing the action. The verb would be bought, which is the past tense of buy, and the direct object would be a sandwich. Why? Because if you ask the question either what or whom, that would be the response. For example, my question would be, what did Julie buy? Well, the answer would be a sandwich. That is why I know that my direct object would be a sandwich. The second example, I gave my friend a gift. The subject would be I, again, the person performing the action. The verb would be gave, past tense of give, and the question would be, what did I give my friend? Well, I gave my friend a gift. So a gift would be my direct object. Very easy, right? Now, an indirect object is also very easy. What is it? It is either a noun or a pronoun. And a characteristic of the indirect object is that it is the recipient of the direct object. What do I mean? It is the person or the object that receives the action that relates the verb and the direct object. That is why we usually find the indirect object between the verb, the action word, and the direct object. Which question would we ask? To whom? Maybe the explanation was a bit complicated, but with the examples you're going to understand very fast. So let's say that we have this sentence. Anna has given me a book. My subject would be Anna. My verb would be has given, right? Remember present perfect? And I would ask the question. To find the direct object, I would find the question. What has Anna given? Well, she has given a book. To find the indirect object, I would ask the question, and we have it right here, to whom? So I would ask, to whom has Anna given a book? What would be the answer? To me. So that would be the indirect object. And if you notice, it is between the verb, which is has given, and the direct object, which is a book. On the second sentence, this is the example that I gave you with direct object. I gave my friend a gift. To whom did I give a gift? To my friend, the person that is receiving the action or the object. That would be the indirect object. And again, you can see that it's between gave and a gift, which are the verb and the direct object. So remember, a direct object is either a noun or a pronoun. It does not depend on the indirect object. This means that in a sentence you can find a direct object but not an indirect object, and that is okay. And it is usually preceded by the verb. This means that the verb is usually before the direct object. But this is not a rule. You can find the verb afterwards. And of course you can find words between the verb and the direct object. On the case of indirect object, remember that it's either a noun or a pronoun that receives the direct object. It depends on the direct object. If we don't have a direct object, we're not going to have an indirect object. And it is usually located between the verb and the direct object. Thank you. I hope you understood. Bye.